Chapter 12. Beyond Earth. Overview. In this chapter, we will explore the vast universe, from its origin with the Big Bang to its endless expansion. We'll discover the fascinating celestial objects within it, such as stars, planets, galaxies, and more. Our universe. The universe is the vast, boundless space that includes everything we see around us and much more. It contains planets, stars, galaxies, and countless other fascinating objects. Scientists believe the universe began around 13.8 billion years ago with a huge explosion called the Big Bang. This event marked the start of time and space, and since then, the universe has been expanding. Imagine blowing up a balloon. Just like the air fills the balloon and makes it grow, the universe is expanding in all directions. Even today, the universe continues to stretch farther and farther. Celestial objects in the universe. The universe is filled with an incredible variety of celestial objects, each with its own characteristics and roles. Let's explore some of the most important ones. Stars. Stars are massive, glowing spheres made up of hot gases, primarily hydrogen and helium. They are born in giant clouds of dust and gas called nebulae. Over time, gravity pulls the dust and gas together, forming a star. Our closest star, the Sun, provides Earth with the light and heat necessary for life. Stars come in different sizes, colors, and temperatures. Some stars can live for millions or even billions of years before they eventually run out of fuel and die. Planets. Planets are large, round objects that orbit stars. Our solar system, for example, has 8 planets that orbit the Sun. Planets do not give off their own light, but instead reflect the light of the stars they orbit. Some planets, like Earth, are rocky, while others, like Jupiter, are made mostly of gas. Planets can also have moons, smaller objects that orbit around them. Each planet is unique, with its own atmosphere, surface, and sometimes even rings or storms. Constellations. A constellation is a group of stars that forms a recognizable pattern in the night sky. These patterns have been observed and named by different cultures throughout history. The word constellation comes from the Latin term constellatio, where con means together and stella means star. Therefore, constellatio can be translated as a set of stars or stars together. The term originally referred to groups of stars forming patterns or figures in the night sky, which were often associated with mythological characters, animals, or objects by ancient cultures. Ancient civilizations used constellations for navigation and as part of their mythology. They often created stories and legends based on the shapes and patterns formed by stars. Importance of constellations. Constellations serve several purposes. 1. Sailors and travelers have used constellations for centuries to find their way at sea and on land. For example, the North Star, Polaris, is part of the Ursa Minor constellation and helps indicate true north. 2. Different cultures have their own myths and stories associated with constellations. These stories often explain natural phenomena and convey moral lessons. 3. Constellations help astronomers locate stars and other celestial objects. They serve as a reference system for mapping the night sky. Major constellations. The following are descriptions of some major constellations that are easily recognizable. 1. Orion. Orion is one of the most famous constellations and is often referred to as the Hunter. It is best viewed in winter and can be found in both the northern and southern hemispheres. Notable stars. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star located in Orion's shoulder. It is one of the largest stars known and is about 700 times larger than the Sun. Rigel, a blue supergiant star that forms Orion's foot. It is one of the brightest stars in the night sky. Orion's belt consists of 3 stars, Alnitak, Alnilam and Mintaka, that form a straight line and are easily identifiable. 2. Ursa Major. Ursa Major, also known as the Great Bear, is best known for the Big Dipper, which is an asterism within the constellation. It is visible all year round in the northern hemisphere. Notable stars. Dubhe, the second brightest star in Ursa Major, it is located at the end of the Big Dipper's ball. Merak, the star that, along with Dubhe, forms the pointer stars that lead to Polaris, the North Star. Mizar, a star that forms part of the handle of the Big Dipper and is famous for being a double star, 2 stars that can be seen closely together. 3. Cassiopeia. Cassiopeia is easily recognizable due to its distinctive W shape, resembling a throne or a chair. It is visible throughout the year in the northern hemisphere and is associated with a queen from Greek mythology. Notable stars. Scada, the brightest star in Cassiopeia, marking the queen's hip. Kaf, a bright star that forms one point of the W shape. Ruchba, a star that represents Cassiopeia's name. 4. Scorpius. Scorpius is one of the most recognizable constellations and is known for its scorpion shape. It is visible in the summer sky. It is rich in bright stars and deep sky objects, making it a favorite among stargazers. Notable stars. Antares, a red supergiant star known as the heart of the scorpion. It is one of the brightest stars in the night sky. Shola, a star that represents the scorpion's stinger. Lesat, another star in Scorpius, close to Shola, marking the tip of the stinger. 5. Taurus. Taurus, the bull, is another zodiac constellation, best seen in the winter months. It is known for its V-shaped formation that represents the bull's face. Notable stars. Aldebaran, the brightest star in Taurus, representing the bull's eye. It is a red giant star. Pleiades, also known as the Seven Sisters, this open star cluster is located in Taurus and contains several bright stars that are closely grouped together. Hyades, another star cluster in Taurus, which forms the bull's face. 6. Ursa Minor. Ursa Minor is a constellation in the northern sky, commonly known as the Little Bear. It is also referred to as the Little Dipper, as its 7 brightest stars form a shape resembling a dipper or lutley. Notable stars. Polaris, the brightest star in Ursa Minor and commonly known as the North Star. It is located almost directly above the Earth's North Pole, making it a key reference point for navigation. Kochab, the second brightest star in Ursa Minor. It is an orange giant, located about 130 light-years from Earth. In ancient times, Kochab was used as a pole star before Polaris took its place. Bhairkar, the third brightest star in the constellation, located near Kochab. It is a white giant and part of the Guardians of the Pole, along with Kochab, as they appear to circle Polaris. Yildun, a white dwarf star located at the base of the handle of the Little Dipper. It is fainter than the other stars in Ursa Minor but still notable. Epsilon Ursae Minoris, a double star system, with the primary being an orange giant. Fainter than the primary stars but still visible to the naked eye under clear conditions. Zeta Ursae Minoris, a yellow-white star, one of the fainter stars in Ursa Minor. Located near Epsilon, it helps define the shape of the Little Dipper. Galaxies. A galaxy is a massive system of stars, planets, gas and dust, all held together by gravity. Our home galaxy is called the Milky Way, and it contains billions of stars, including our Sunday galaxies come in different shapes, such as spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Some galaxies are small, while others are so large that light takes millions of years to travel from one side to the other. Did you know there are more than 2 trillion galaxies in the universe? That's a lot of stars and planets. Know the fact. The Andromeda Galaxy is a large spiral galaxy. It is also the nearest to Earth. It can be seen with our naked eyes from the northern hemisphere during a very dark night. Activity 1. Find pictures of galaxies and their shapes with the help of internet. Sketch the shapes of those galaxies. Show it to your teacher and classmates. Put your sketch on the bulletin board of your class. The Solar System. The Solar System is the collection of planets, moons, comets, and asteroids that orbit our Sunday. Our solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy. The Sun is at the center, and it provides the energy that keeps the planets in orbit. Earth, the third planet from the Sun, is the only planet known to support life. Beyond the planets, there are belts of icy objects, such as Pluto and other dwarf planets that make up the farthest regions of the solar system. Know the fact. Black holes. One of the most mysterious objects in the universe is the black hole. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses at the end of its life. The gravity in a black hole is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. Black holes can't be seen directly, but we can detect them by observing how they affect the movement of nearby stars and gas. They play a crucial role in shaping galaxies. Exploring the universe. Humans have always been curious about what lies beyond our planet. Space exploration has allowed us to learn more about the universe. Telescopes, like the Hubble Space Telescope, allow scientists to observe distant stars and galaxies. Spacecraft have traveled to other planets, and astronauts have even walked on the moon. As technology advances, we continue to make new discoveries about the universe, which might one day help us explore distant planets and stars. From stars and planets to galaxies and black holes, the universe is filled with fascinating objects. We've also explored our solar system and how humans are learning more about the universe through telescopes and space missions. The universe is a place of wonder, and there's always more to discover. Satellites, natural and artificial. A satellite is any object that orbits around a planet or another celestial body due to the gravitational pull. Satellites can be classified into 2 main types: natural satellites and artificial satellites. 1. Natural satellites. Natural satellites are celestial bodies that naturally form and orbit planets or other celestial objects. These satellites are not man-made and have been present in space since the formation of the solar system. Every planet in our solar system, except Mercury and Venus, has natural satellites. Jupiter has over 75 natural satellites, the largest of which is Ganymede, the biggest moon in the solar system. Saturn has Titan, another significant moon with an atmosphere. Mars has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos. Natural satellites come in various sizes, shapes, and characteristics, ranging from small, irregular-shaped objects to large, spherical moons like Earth's moon or Ganymede. The Moon. The best-known natural satellite is the Moon, which orbits around the Earth. It affects ocean tides and has been studied extensively for its geological features. The Moon has a diameter of 3,474 kilometers, about 1/4 the size of Earth. The Moon is about 384,400 kilometers away from Earth. The surface of the Moon is covered with craters, mountains and flat plains called maria. These plains are areas where ancient volcanic lava once flowed. Most of these craters have been formed due to the impact of asteroids or rocks from the space hitting the moon's surface. Since there is no atmosphere, water or life on the moon, these features stay on the moon's surface for a very long time. Although the moon is very far, humans have sent spacecrafts to explore and understand more about the moon. India has also launched 3 Chandrayaan missions to study the moon, and a further mission is being planned. Know the fact. Chandrayaan is India's ambitious series of lunar exploration missions launched by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. India's first mission to the moon, Chandrayaan-1, was launched in 2008 and the second mission, Chandrayaan-2, in 2019. The third mission, Chandrayaan-3, was launched in July 2023 and its Vikram lander carrying the Pragyan rover successfully soft-landed on the moon on 23 August 2023. With this mission, India became the first country in the world to achieve a landing near the little explored moon's south pole. To mark this success, the Government of India declared 23 August to be celebrated as National Space Day in India. A fourth mission, Chandrayaan-4, is being planned which aims to bring back soil and rock samples from the moon. Every planet in our solar system, except Mercury and Venus, has natural satellites. Jupiter has over 75 natural satellites, the largest of which is Ganymede, the biggest moon in the solar system. Saturn has Titan, another significant moon with an atmosphere. Mars has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos. Natural satellites come in various sizes, shapes, and characteristics, ranging from small, irregular-shaped objects to large, spherical moons like Earth's moon or Ganymede. 2 artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are human-made objects intentionally placed in orbit around the Earth or other celestial bodies. These satellites are launched into space for specific purposes such as communication, weather monitoring, scientific research and navigation. Types of artificial satellites. Communication satellites. These satellites are used for transmitting television, telephone, and internet signals across long distances. For example, INSAT, Indian National Satellite System. Weather satellites. These satellites monitor weather patterns, helping meteorologists predict storms, monitor climate change, and understand Earth's atmosphere. For example, GOES, Geostationary Operational Environmental Satellite. Navigation satellites. Satellites like those in the GPS, Global Positioning System, help in accurate location tracking and navigation for cars, airplanes, and ships. Scientific satellites. These satellites are used for exploring space, studying distant stars, planets, and galaxies. The Hubble Space Telescope is an example that provides stunning images of distant celestial objects. Spy or reconnaissance satellites. These are used for military and defense purposes, gathering intelligence by monitoring activities on Earth. Satellites, both natural and artificial, play crucial roles in our understanding of the universe and in improving daily life on Earth. Natural satellites like the Moon offer insights into the early solar system, while artificial satellites have revolutionized communication, navigation, and scientific exploration. Comets and asteroids. Our solar system is filled with fascinating objects, 2 of the most interesting being comets and asteroids. These celestial bodies provide important clues about the early solar system and play a key role in understanding the origins of planets, moons, and other objects in space. Comets. Comets are icy celestial objects that orbit the Sun in highly elliptical paths. They are sometimes called dirty snowballs because they are made of frozen gases, dust, and rock. When a comet approaches the Sun, the heat causes the ice to vaporize, forming a glowing cloud of gas and dust. This is what gives a comet its bright appearance. As the comet gets closer to the sun, the solar wind blows the gas and dust away from the comet, forming a long, bright tail that can stretch millions of kilometers into space. Famous comets. Halley's Comet. This is the most famous comet, visible from Earth about every 76 years. Its last appearance was in 1986 and it will return in 2061. Comet Hale-Bopp. This bright comet was visible to the naked eye in 1997 for many months, one of the longest visible comets in modern times. Asteroids. Asteroids are rocky objects that orbit the Sun, mostly found in a region between Mars and Jupiter known as the asteroid belt. Unlike comets, asteroids do not have eyes and they don't form a bright tail. They are made up of metals and rocky material and vary in size from small rocks to objects hundreds of kilometers wide. Famous asteroids. Times says, the largest object in the asteroid belt, says is so big that it is classified as a dwarf planet. Vesta. One of the brightest asteroids, Vesta can sometimes be seen from Earth with the naked eye. Do comets and asteroids impact Earth? Both comets and asteroids can potentially collide with Earth, but these events are rare. Most objects that come close to Earth are small and burn up in the atmosphere, creating shooting stars or meteors. Larger impacts are less common but have occurred in the past, like the asteroid impact that may have contributed to the extinction of the dinosaurs. Celestial. Referring to objects or events that occur in space, outside the Earth's atmosphere. Galaxy. A large system of stars, gas, dust and dark matter, bound together by gravity. Orbit. The path an object takes as it revolves around a planet, star, or moon. Gravity. A force that attracts two bodies towards each other, especially the pull that Earth exerts on objects. Solar system. The Sun and all the planets, moons, asteroids and comets that revolve around it. Black hole. A region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. Comet. A small celestial body made of ice, dust, and gas that develops a glowing tail when it approaches the Sun. Asteroid. A rocky object that orbits the Sun, typically found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Satellite. An object that orbits around a planet. It can be natural, like the moon, or artificial, like communication satellites. Eclipse. An event in which one celestial body moves into the shadow of another, temporarily blocking light.